Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
All right, we're getting started this morning. It's about 7:30. We've got a 14-mile day to a wild camp today, so we're kind of going to play it by ear to see what spots we can find. We're hoping to at least get 14 miles, and then anything after that we consider a bonus. So the weather forecast doesn't look too bad today. It's a lot better than yesterday. It's relatively dry. It's a little bit cloudy still in the hills, so we'll see how that goes. And we're going to get cracking on and show you guys how our day goes. We're being stalked by a deer. All right, we're just above Crowdon here, up on the top of the hills. We've pretty much skirted this ledge here and then all the way down there, down through the valley into Crowdon. So weather's a lot better today. You can see a lot further in the distance. And we're basically skirting the path down here now next, and it kind of drops down a bit. So keep on going. All right, we're just making up to Black Hill Trig Point, where we're gonna have a break, our mid-morning break. So we're just crossing this the moor here. As you can see behind me, it's pretty much wide open spaces, not a soul in sight. So when we get to this trig point, we're gonna take a break, probably about a 20-minute break, and rest our shoulders and our feet. Black Hill Trig, bagged it. Let's take a break now, Tiff. Pretty big one, isn't it? All right. All right, we're walking towards the reservoir here. Don't know the name of the reservoir, but we're walking towards it. We just crossed over an A road, and now we're dropped down into these reservoirs. And we're gonna stop and have our lunch break closer to the reservoir. So we'll keep on heading down to it. So far, we're feeling good. Everyone's doing good. All is good in the woods. All right, got the little Pennine Way sign here. Hi guys, just wanted to report in and let you know what we're up to. We're just about to come up to Stanage, that's it. We're just about to come up to there, and then we're going to cross over the A road there and then head up to the next moor. The weather is absolutely fantastic. We've caught the lucky end here today because sunshine, cool breeze, it's perfect for hiking, and we're loving it. So we're gonna keep cracking on here until we can find our wild camp spot for the night. So we probably got about another 5 miles until we at least reach the point where we've thought we would want to, and then if we're feeling good and it looks like there's more spots that we can find, we'll find one later. So all right, we'll crack on and catch you guys later. Back in another trip point. Awesome. We're on top of Marston Moor here. I think that's the city of Marston down there. Marston. We've come from that direction. Alright, so we're going to take a break now. But yeah, that's where we are. Back at another trick point. Cool. White Hill, yes, bagged.
Third of the day.
Yes. And we are in the middle of nowhere, really. Okay. All right. All right, evening, everyone.
Evening.
We made it to our campsite for the night, which is a wild camp. We're on top of, what's the name of the hill?
I think it was White Hill.
Yeah, White Hill. Yeah, we're on top of White Hill. The trick point is right there. So, yeah, we're just got the tent set up. We're waiting on a beautiful sunset to come down, and then we're gonna hit the sack. It's been a long day, quite tired, and we'll see you guys in the morning then for day 4, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, day 4 of the Pennine Way. We got a shorter one tomorrow, so hopefully it'll be. Is that the sunset there? Nice.
This technology is fantastic, isn't it?
As you can see it on our face, it's quite bright on our face. So yeah, we got a short day tomorrow, we hope. Hebden Bridge we're heading into. We got a campsite there and a pub. So yeah, we're looking forward to the pub. So sayonara for tonight, and we'll see you guys in the morning.
Good night.
Good night. Everyone, welcome to another episode of Tent Talk.
End of day
3.
3, but the second day of full walking.
Yes,
And it's cold.
it is cold.
Because we're sat in a tent next to a trig point.
Yes.
And trig points are on top of hills.
It's cold. All right, let's get into it.
Let's get into it. So, right. Number 1, the scenery.
5.
5. I think that's good. I'll
Scenery
go with that
was
one.
excellent today. We saw some really cool, the moors we walked through were just unbelievable to me.
Yeah, but I'm going to include wildlife in this as well because we saw a deer today.
We did
And
see a deer
We
there.
were sat having a drink.
Coffee, yeah.
And it popped its little head up and
That's scenery.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then gambled off somewhere.
He did, yeah, he saw us and
And
ran.
that was fantastic, wasn't it?
I would, if I saw me,
a
I'd run.
caterpillar.
Oh, you saw a caterpillar, yeah. I was going to say, if I saw me, I'd run too.
Okay, number 2, the path.
Conditions of the path are good. I
Yeah.
think, I rate them, I don't know what I rated the first time of the day. What
I
was it?
can't remember.
I would say 3.8.
3.8.
Condition
So you
of the
like
track.
3.8, don't
I
you?
do, I'm stuck with that number.
Because there's another load of those slabs.
Slabs, yeah. It made walking
it-
relatively easy.
It was good. Navigation.
Better than the first part, I think.
Absolute cinch, wasn't it?
Yes.
It was really easy.
Really easy to keep on track. And that-
5?
Yeah.
'Cause we
No,
did-
you can't
it
do
was
5
well
because that
done.
means
Yeah, you can.
would there how
Could
okay.
they improve it?
would there could be more signs?
Okay.
4.5.
I liked all of those, the stone ones that were carved.
Yes, those have been
Never
there
did.
forever. Those had
I reckon. Okay, 4.5.
4.5.
Because there were a couple of spaces.
To make 5, you'd have to have a guy standing there saying, "That direction, sir. Pennine Way walker. Don't go that way, sir. That's the wrong way."
Yes, that's a bog.
Yes.
Okay, number 4 is the weather.
Weather. Can you say 5?
Well, no, I don't think you say 5. It's cold out there.
Yeah, it's cold. Yeah.
But the sun came out and it was lovely.
Yeah,
And
so-
actually, it was quite a light breeze. So
Yeah.
4?
4 sounds good. Yeah. I was going to say 4.5.
Yeah, I'll go 4. Food.
Food that we had.
Well-
My minestrone soup was fabulous. I thought it was awesome.
We've only been eating our own food.
We
haven't
have, yes.
So we've had soup.
We had soup,
Had a
pasta.
cup of soup lent against a true point.
Yes.
We
yeah.
had pasta.
We had
lent
pasta.
against
Say
true
true point. Yeah. I would say our food was 3.5.
Okay.
It wasn't. I mean, it could have been better.
Well,
but
I mean, rehydrated food is like never going to be.
it's
Like
never going to
gourmet,
be
is it?
brilliant now.
Okay, so this is the how do you feel section. So physically, how do you feel?
Well, I'm tired. For one thing, it's been a long day.
That's been long.
I have a rash on my ass.
What?
I'm sorry.
Where did that come from?
It's walking 15 miles, honey. I've got a rash. So that's not nice. It's quite uncomfortable. But, I'm going to walk through it.
Glad you got your own sleeping
Yes,
bag.
yes,
It's not
yes.
contagious.
Yes.
What? So 4 or
What was the question again? Oh, well, how am I feeling? I'm feeling all right. I mean,
good?
it's a wild camp tonight, so I'm
Average.
not showered. I'm stank. So I'd say average.
Average.
Yeah.
I'm kind of fair to middling
Yeah.
because my knees have been bothering
Yeah,
me most
yeah.
of the day, but I've kept up on the painkillers, and as soon as you sit down and not moving, then I'm absolutely
Yeah.
fine.
She's all drugged up.
So yeah,
All drugged up.
I'm gonna get some better drugs later on.
Yeah. Some cocodamine.
Cocodamol.
Cocodamol, that's
I
it.
gave all my cocodamol
Thanks, John.
away.
Thanks, John.
Okay, mental health. How do you feel?
Great. Loving it.
Yeah,
Yeah, feel good. Yeah.
I'm feeling really good on that as
Yeah,
well.
mental health is high.
Yeah, good, excellent. So, up on yesterday or down on yesterday?
Up on yesterday. Totally up on yesterday.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I think definitely up on yesterday.
Yes.
Just
Looking
like
forward
not,
to tomorrow.
not having to dry everything out in the tumble dryer overnight has been
Yes.
very good.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
All right, so that's it.
That's it.
All right.
Thanks for joining us.
I think Tent Talk went fabulous today. All right, guys. Thanks for joining us, and stay tuned for another episode of Tent Talk.
Good night.
Night.